There's some interesting things I want to show you guys. It's happening with the marketplace. This first slide, sorry for the bad quality until I learn how to really display some charts here. It's going to look kind of shitty, but you can see here on the S&P 500, it's dipped down to the 1040 level. It didn't quite touch the 1040 level a few weeks ago, but it might count as a triple touch on the 1040, a very key level for the S&P. And since I believe there's no such thing as a triple top or a triple bottom, when something goes down to touch something for a third time within a period of time, it's more likely that the market will continue in that direction. In this case, the S&P 500 looks like it's going to go lower because it touched 1040 for the third time. Since it's hit would be a bottom, very rarely that it would be a triple bottom. It would have taken off by now on a double bottom. So, which is why I own the FAZ here, and you can see that the FAZ has come up to the $17 level for the third time, actually the fourth time, in a very short time, which is very bullish because it's actually opposite. It's triple short the financials. So since there's no such thing as a triple top, this would indicate that the FAZ would be going higher, and this is what my protection for a market collapse, owning the FAZ. And if you think the metals are going to follow the market, they may not, and even if they hold their own and outperform the market, it's a good place for your money. So I'm looking at the SLW right here. It did a pullback down to the $20 level, but it's still in an upward bullish mode. It touched the 2150 level for a third time, and since, like I said, there's no such thing as a triple top or triple bottom, this is very bullish for the stock, and I expect it to punch through the 2150 level. Very interesting that some of these things that I'm looking at are touching key levels for a third time. We'll look at here at Eldorado Gold, pretty much the same thing. It punched up through the 1850 level yesterday for a third time, and it's still in a very upward bullish fashion. It's a gold miner, Eldorado Gold. So you got the silver, wheat, and Eldorado Gold, the FAZ to protect you against a market crash. Those are the three I'm looking at now. And that's about it. We'll see what happens. I expect the metals to break out to new highs and the market to break out to new lows, which would cause my trading account to have green all the way around. It'd be a first time for sure. But these are things I'm looking at. And gold, the GLD, which I'll show you here, it dropped down to break its upward ascending wedge, but then maintain the wedge, came right back up to the 121 level. So that's very bullish also for this. And so it's very interesting. The market is touching down to triple the lows for a third time, and the metals and the triple short, the financials, are hitting new highs for a third time. So it's a good position to be in. The metals break out and the market breaks down. These three selections I have, the EGO, the SLW, and the FAZ, could be on for quite a ride. So I think it's a good place to be, and even if the metals lag, you're not going to lose money with the market. I doubt they're going to track the market. I think the metals have made up their minds to separate from the market, which was inevitable. During the Great Depression, the metals far outperformed stocks, and they far outperformed stocks in the late 80s also. So metals are metals. They're not necessarily companies that make things. They pull real stuff out of the ground. So I think they're a much different investment. But anyway, that's what I'm looking at. Check it out. I'll talk to you later.